Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the Roborock F25 Ultra Steam Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful all-in-one floor washer that uses steam and hot water to blast away tough messes. If you want a machine that deep cleans hard floors and maintains itself, this one delivers. Let me break down the specs. It features 22,000 pascal suction power and 33 newtons of downward mop pressure for deep scrubbing action. Steam mode reaches 356 degrees Fahrenheit to lift dried-on messes and kill bacteria. Hot water mode at 187 degrees Fahrenheit breaks down grease and sticky spills. Blue light illuminates hidden dust on dark surfaces. AI-enhanced SlideTech 2.0 wheels with dual brushless motors provide effortless maneuverability. The 180 degrees lay-flat design reaches under low furniture, and you can remote control it via app. Self-cleaning system uses 356 degrees Fahrenheit steam and 194 degrees Fahrenheit water to clean the roller, followed by 203 degrees Fahrenheit hot air drying. Clean water tank is 1L, dirty tank is 720 milliliters. Battery runs up to 60 minutes in auto mode, 15 to 20 minutes in steam or hot water modes. Dimensions are 43.1 by 10.4 by 9.7 inches. Weight is 11.5 pounds, 5.2 kilograms. Real-world reviews praise its incredible cleaning power on dried stains and spills. It handled ketchup, mustard, syrup, and even day-old stains effortlessly. The power-assisted wheels make it light to push despite its weight. The app control under furniture is a game-changer. Some users note edge cleaning could be better. The machine is bulky for small spaces, and emptying the dirty tank is gross but necessary. Steam mode requires about a minute to heat up. If you want a premium wet-dry vacuum with unmatched cleaning power and self-maintenance, the Roborock F25 Ultra delivers. Link in description. Thanks for watching.